askAshadiee, and today I will like to show you how to do a Loopy ruler, a askAshadiee. It is a askAshadiee challenge. So let's get started. The first thing I just got to this thing over. Good. Loop it. See how we repeat the text command multiple times? To draw ruler marks for the x coordinates along the top. You'll replace that with a while loop that does the exact same thing. Remember to think about what do we want to repeat each time? What value do we want to change each time? When do we want to stop loop? Okay, what to do here, we would delete these code. It starts with only a 0 and then while x is less than 381, which means it'll be starting here to here, 381. Then we might need to, and a semicolon, no, this. And we might need that. Then we'll make a tab for that. And then here, we do x plus equals 50. And then nice work. Keep it up. Okay. A loop for the side too. Now let's do the same for the y, so that we have a ruler going down to the left side of our canvas. It should be very similar to the loop you have with the x. To do this one, everything's the same, except every x would be the opposite, which means it would be the y. For y, we need a variable, then 0. Let's make it 0. And then while y is less than 400. And then we'll need that. Okay, now there's an error. We can just X that out and it's back again. But let's just ignore it. Next, in our loop, we would do text. Y, comma, O, Y0, Y. And then a semicolon. And the last but not least, is y plus equals 50. Congratulations, everyone. You have officially completed a challenge called Challenge, a Loopy Ruler. Part 1. The next one is a Loopy Landscape. I hope you guys are having a great time during this pandemic. Have a nice day.